And something I wanted to share is simply, why you? Why me? Why us? And so what came through really in the last workshop was this kind of understanding about that what is all this that has come before is survival energy based. All the education system being a unit of production, and trauma from the programming and from ancestral patterns. And we've been navigating these kind of hierarchical, draconian, secret, distorted structures that has nothing to do with who we are. It's everything is kind of been put upon us. And this is what I would consider to be the old earth and the old way. And it's because you have done the inner work, because you have done so much healing, because you are a seeker of the truth, because you are a light warrior, a light leader, because you understand the heart, the inner, and you are versed in the true reality. You are tapping in to the real, that which is not all of this matrix, the conditioning, the false light, the false gods, AI, academia, the mind, right? That you are called, that you are chosen, and you are a new paradigm honors graduate, a master in your own right. And because you've done the work, because you meditate, because you live through intuition, through guidance, because you know there's so much more to this reality. So this is like a new job, or a first job, this mission from Source to create this book. Source needs your caliber of person to guide the collective and guide others. It needs your collaboration. That's why you've got this download, this email from higher self. We are the ones who are the lights and the guides for the new earth, not the ones who came before or the ones still trapped in the program. Teaching old ways, teaching corrupted ways, incomplete understanding. The transmission that wants to pass from your soul, from your higher self, is required right now in the collective. And yet we send those who've gone before, those who are steeped in the old ways, the matrix, the programming, who are products of it, send them love and compassion. We recognize that the path of the heart is the way, and that we are called to share it with the rest of us. So what we're doing is we're building a clear roadmap. We're creating flow and momentum, giving ourselves confidence and support, and a path to publication ultimately. So we're going to take a little journey now, connecting with the higher self, receiving the message of the book, mapping that book seed, however it wants to grow, and taking aligned action going forward.